Hello everyone, welcome to lesson number 32. This is grade 8 mathematics. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to answer questions like this one in the exam or in the test. So let's say you are asked to calculate 2% of $100 or calculate 75% of 15,000 cars. Alright, so in your study guide, for those that bought the study guides, you can find this on page 19 to page 20. Okay, that's where these two examples are. So I'm going to show you how to calculate the percentage of a quantity. Okay, so now you know what is a percentage. Okay, remember a percentage is any number out of 100. Okay, so let's start with the first one. Example number 1. We want to calculate 2%. So when I find 2% of $100, what would be the amount of this 2%? So what do we know? We know that these can be written as 2 over 100. Okay, over 100, and then we just multiply that with the quantity. So this is the quantity. Calculate the percentage of the quantity. So this is a percentage, and we want to find out what is the 2% of that quantity. Now, you can do this with a calculator, or you can do it mentally. And the good thing about multiplication is that you can actually cancel this out, and that will give you just $2. So 2% of 100 is just $2. So on your calculator, this is what you do. So you punch in the fraction button, then you put up 2 here, you put up 100 here, and you say times 100. So your answer should be the unit of the quantity. Okay, so your answer should not be a percentage. The unit should not be a percentage, but the unit should be the unit of the quantity that you are dealing with. Okay, let's go to part B. So part 2, we want to calculate 75% of 15,000 cars. Okay, 15,000 cars. So what do? We say 70 over 100. Remember that this is 75%. So I can write 75% like this, or I can write it like this. Then I multiply that by 15,000 cars. Okay. All right. So this one you can also cancel all the zeros. So you cancel out the zeros, 2 zeros, and also the 2 zeros here, just like in primary schools. And then you have now 75 times 150, and that should give you 11,250 cars. Okay, so 75% of these cars is 11,250 cars. So on your calculator, this is what you punch in. You punch in, first you must press this button, the fraction button. I hope you have this kind of Casio. Okay, please try to get yourself this kind of Casio. All right, and then you just press in 75%, sorry, over 100, and then you multiply by 15,000. So your answer should be the same as that. So let me just quickly show you on the calculator. So what you need to do, you just need to press in this button. This one, can you see this button? So let me just quickly. So you just press this button. This button here, over here. So if you press it, you get something like that. And then the top, what are you going to put at the top? You put 75. 75. And then at the bottom, you put up 100. 100. And then you say times. So you move the cursor so that it comes there. Then you multiply by 15,000. So your answer will be, where did we go wrong? So times. So it will be 11,250 cars. Okay. So what I want you to do, you are going to try this activity on your own. So it's number 2. calculate 25% of $1,000 and calculate 10% of 1,200 kilometers. Please do this in your summary book, take a picture and share with me on WhatsApp. Okay, now for those that don't know my cell phone number, let me just put it for you. So it's 081 2079641. Alright, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.